If you notice blood in your stool, don't panic. However, you shouldn't also ignore it either, because it might be a warning sign that your body is telling you that something is going on within your human body. In today's video, I want to share with you 5 major diseases or conditions having blood in your stool. Without wasting much time, let us move straight into the video. The first common cause is hemorrhoid. Hemorrhoids are enlarged veins in your anal region and sometimes at the rectum. There are two types of hemorrhoid. We have the internal hemorrhoid and the external hemorrhoid. Most of the time, internal hemorrhoids are not visibly seen by your naked eye, and the external hemorrhoids are those that you can see it with your naked eye. One major indication of hemorrhoid is passing bloody stool. Sometimes the stool is mixed with the blood. There are also other times that after passing the stool, when you try to wipe your anal region, you notice that there is visible red blood seen. The second major condition that might present with blood in stool is anal fissure. Now, anal fissure are small anal tear. Mostly is as a result of you having constipation. Once you try passing a very hard stool, they can cause a tear in your anal region. The third common cause is some gastrointestinal bleeding. Now, with this one, we have some upper GI bleeding. We also have lower GI bleeding. With upper GI bleeding, most of the time, the stool you pass is dark in color. Yes, a dark stool is also an indication that you are bleeding. Yes. And with lower GI bleeding, the stool you pass is red or is bright red. I hope you understand. So sometimes these gastrointestinal bleedings can also make you to notice blood in stool. The fourth indication of blood in stool is what we call colorectal cancer. Now, this one is a form of cancer, and this is a very serious. So that one, it needs critical attention, because if you have cancer, we shouldn't waste time with it. The management should be keen in order for you to be free. Other than that, you continue to be bleeding and having these bloody stools if that kind of cancer is not taken care of. Then the last indication that I want us to talk about is some form of infection. One thing you have to know is that these kind of infections mostly present with diarrhea associated with blood in stool, like you having dysentery, gastroenteritis. These can present with you having blood in stool, but most of the time you have diarrhea associated with the blood in stool. You shouldn't ignore it just like that. Sometimes it's just a normal. However, there are also certain times that it might be a warning sign that all these kind of points that I listed, they might be telling you that something is going on within your human body. So you shouldn't ignore it. Go to the hospital for medical care and attention to be given to you in order to know the possible cause of your blood in stool. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.